Hi there, students. Baleful, baleful, uh, an adjective, and balefully, the adverb, and I guess balefulness as well as a noun. Okay, if you look at somebody balefully, you look at them in a menacing way, aggressively. You're expressing your bad intentions towards them. Yeah. So baleful, something that's threatening. Yeah, something that's menacing. He looked at his kids balefully, as if to tell them, you continue doing that, and you're going to have problems. Yeah. So a threatening look. Somebody could have a baleful influence. So, I don't know, maybe money has a baleful influence on our society, a harmful or destructive effect. Yeah? So, baleful. Threatening something bad. His baleful influence is something that needs to be stopped. Yeah, having a malignant intention, something ominous. Yeah, his the baleful actions of certain leaders are causing great problems. Yeah, the balefulness of the situation, yeah, the terribleness, the malignantness of the malignity of the situation was absolutely terrible. Okay, so it's harmful, it's menacing. Yeah, a vindictive look, a baleful look. Yeah, he was always giving his wife baleful glances. Menacing, threatening, dangerous, forbidding, intimidating, sinister, vindictive. Yeah, malevolent. Yeah, he had a baleful look in his eyes. So it's suggestive of harm, or menace, or evil. Yeah. Okay, so baleful. Yeah, something that says that evil is going to happen. Notice in the past this word used to be used for miserable, wretched, distressed, suffering. I think in the past you could have said the dog gave him a baleful look, as if to apologise for what it had done. But I think that meaning has left us now, and we are just with this meaning of something that is threatening, menacing. It's looking at a bad future. It's a pretty literary word. Yeah, something that is deadly, that is full of evil influences. Yeah. So, but particularly a baleful look, a baleful glare, a baleful sea. Yeah, the wind started to blow balefully. Yeah, it was indicating that maybe a storm was coming. I think the baleful influences of great dictators over time will wane, will decrease, will go from us. Okay, so formality. This word to me sounds really rather literary. I think I'd probably give it something like a 7 in formality. I don't think I would use it in an informal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal one. Semi-formal writing and formal writing, definitely. And then as to origin, well, okay, there was a Middle English word, baleful, and if you look at it, I guess it comes from bale plus full. The word bale meaning in Middle English meaning evil, which comes from balwa in Proto-Germanic, meaning something that is evil or misfortune or something like that. Okay, so baleful, threatening, menacing. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Baleful, balefully, balefulness.